Hey everybody, Eric Besprow here with the Microlearning Lab. Today we're going to be discussing employee onboarding training. Now listen in, if you're trying to develop an employee onboarding experience online that builds a culture of learning, that shows your learners you care about the content you're showing them. We have a really cool case study we're going to be discussing with Trupanion, and they actually have a problem. They have the opportunity and problem most businesses have. For their current employee base, their new employees, and some experienced employees as well, a lot of times people truly don't understand the unique value proposition of a company. What makes them unique? What are some key factors that distinguish this company from that company? And it's absolutely essential that every employee understands why they show up to work, what makes them unique, and the value they're bringing. Trupanion is a company that specializes in pet insurance. Their founder really started this with the vision of making pet care accessible to people who love their pets. And I don't know if you're a dog person. I have 3 Chihuahuas and I'm praying that they don't bark during this video. But unfortunately, vets are expensive. Trupanion has a really cool solution to that. And they wanted to find a way to educate their employee base on essentially their core product offerings, what makes them unique in the marketplace. And we did that with this case study.
What kind of decisions would they have to make? At Trupanion, we know and cover the things most likely to happen to your pet to help families like Luna's budget for the costs of unexpected pet medical care should Luna become sick or injured. Trupanion understands the costs associated with lucky, unlucky, and average pets, and uses this information to provide pet owners with a monthly subscription, tailored to their individual pet's characteristics, and offered for the pet's entire life. Like pets, same breed, age, geography are pooled together, and the lucky pets help subsidize the unlucky pets. In exchange for the cost of the monthly subscription, pet parents like Luna's get peace of mind, knowing that they will be able to help Luna get healthy should she become ill.
That video was just a small snippet of a series of videos that were embedded in an interactive Swarm course. Now I'm going to be discussing why and how they went this route. With employee onboarding experience, this is essentially your staff's first experience with the culture of learning at an organization, right? The effort you put into employee onboarding is going to show how much you value, one, the content you're demonstrating during employee onboarding, but not only that, how you value e-learning in general. So this is why typically for employee onboarding, companies want to add a little more production value instead of going the route of click next courses. And by the way, when I say click next courses, I think everyone knows what we're talking about. It's your traditional compliance course where you hear audio, click next. You hear audio, click next. You hear audio, drag and drop activity, click next, or a game designed for a toddler. Trupanion wanted something that felt natural, that built the brand, not only that, exemplified leaders within the organization. So this is why they went with this approach. Video is by far a very natural user experience. You're watching a video right now. When people are looking for problems, they go to or solutions to their problems, they go to YouTube. And you're probably seeing this video here right now. So video was definitely something they were leaning to. And of course, they wanted to make it interactive so it's not just a passive learning exercise. And the result was awesome. The process was relatively easy. So before we get into the result, the process on how they did this was easy. First, we helped them build a curriculum, which is essentially a series of learning objectives and activities. From here, we scripted activities as well as the video content. We sent out cameras to key employees, and then we ran through the animation process. If you look on this channel, you'll be able to find videos on the actual animation process or how to make things interactive. In this case, we actually went with storyline. With that being said, the result of this series was awesome. They had an evergreen asset that they are still proud of to this day. We built this project like 3-4 years ago, and they're still using it. And that's the importance of investing in a good employee onboarding experiences. You want to build something that's evergreen, but that you can update over time. A lot of the information that they covered, mission, vision, values, key product and service features, those are evergreen details. And so they wanted to build and invest in a learning experience that felt natural and that was going to be used until this day. So I'm a big fan of this. Reach out if you want to see some more. We have certain limitations on what we can share. Thank you again, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Cheers.
Curious about building your own microlearning like this? We've got your back. Click the video cards for step-by-step videos. Subscribe for weekly tips. and check the description for a curated list of resources to kickstart your journey.